Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Blanca Stella and welcome to my channel. I do upload 3 times a week, so please don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss out on my 3 videos a week. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about my favorite eyelashes. I'm going to start off with the first brand of eyelashes that I ever started to use when I started doing makeup, and this is from Kiss. I do use a lot of Kiss eyelashes, but I'm going to talk about my top 3 favorite ones. Well, favorite styles.
The first one is in style Kiss. In the style
Shy, and this is from the Drugstore Natural collection. This one right here. What I like about these is that you can use them for a natural look or for a really dramatic eye look. It just looks good with both of them. The end are smaller, and then as they get to the other side of the eye, the lashes do get longer, so it kind of like gives it like this fluttery effect, and it is really pretty. So I use this either for dramatic or natural looks, but I usually just use them when I do a natural look. The next 2 pairs are from their True Volume collection, and one of them is in the style Chic, and the other one is in their style Ritzy. I use Ritzy when I do really dramatic eye looks, but I like using this one when I do a dramatic look, but I don't use black eyeliner because the band is really thin, so it makes it really easy to make sure that your lash line doesn't that you can't see your lash line, because since it is really thin, it is really easy to cover up. And it is really easy to cover up and really get it really close to your lash line. And then I like using the ones in the style Chic for really natural looks because they are pretty small. So I like to use these when I don't wear any eyeliner, just because it does make the eye look really pretty with the eyeliner. And like I said before, the band is really thin, so it makes it really easy to apply. But all the bands from all the Kiss lashes are really thin. That's why I started using these lashes first, because I saw that the band was really thin, and I knew it was going to be easier to apply and to work with, and they are really comfortable as well. That's why I love using these. The next brand I'm going to talk to you guys about are from Ardell. I do have 3 pairs of lashes from Ardell. 2 of them are from their Mega Volume collection. The first one is in the style 252. And the next one is the style 253. I like using these ones for really dramatic, colorful eye looks. And I like using the style 252 for dramatic looks, but because they are pretty big, but they're kind of short, so it makes the eye look really pretty, especially when I wear like really bold red or brown eye looks. It just makes the eye look really pretty and fluttery. And then I also have one from their Double Up, and these are in the style 207. I like using these for a natural look, but also for a bold look, but I mostly use them for a natural look when I only apply eyeliner to the top, but I don't apply a wing. This makes the eye look really pretty. The Ardell lashes are also really easy to apply, but you do have to kind of work with it. The band is it's not that thin, but it's not really thick either. So if you're not wearing eyeliner, you have to be careful to make sure that the lash line does not appear or show. The next brand is Tarte, and I've only tried out one of their eyelashes, and I fell in love with this. These are their Tarte Pro Cruelty lashes in the style Flirt. I love using these ones when I wear a natural look as well, just because the eyelashes are really small. They're not that small, but they are really small, and I feel like it makes the eye look a little bit more natural. But the band line, the lash line, it is a little bit thick, so I do add eyeliner with it. Or what I also like to do, I like to apply these and then I like to tightline, and that kind of covers up the lash line as well. And then the next one is a really affordable brand. This is from Shop Miss A, and this is our AOA Studio eyelashes in the style Audrey. I do have a couple of eyelashes from AOA Studio, but these are my favorite ones. I usually wear these when I don't feel like wearing any eyelashes because they are really, really comfortable and I can barely feel them on when I have them on, and they're really easy to apply as well. And these are really good for a natural look as well when I'm not wearing eyeliner, because the lash line is really small, like the kiss lashes, so it is really easy to hide it. The next brand is Icon Lashes. I do have several of their eyelashes, but my favorite ones have to be in the style Goals and in the style Working Girl. And these are the ones in the style Goals. One of them did break, so I'm not using it. I don't use this anymore. But I did order a new pair, so that should be coming in pretty quick. But this is what they look like. In the style Goals. And then the next style is the style Working Girl. These are almost out. Like, I can probably get 2 more uses out of it, but I did order a new pair as well. I also like to use these when I do dramatic looks. It just makes the eye look really more dramatic and really more pretty. I do use the Working Girl more often than the one in Goals. Working Girl, it kind of starts small in the inner corner, and then it gets longer as it reaches the whole eye, and I love that because it makes the eye look really, really pretty. And then the ones in Goals, I like using these when I also do a natural look, just because it does make the eye look more open. Like the lash line is not thin, so I do add a little bit of eyeliner, but sometimes I don't wing it out, and it just makes the eye look really, really pretty. And then the last brand of eyelashes I'm going to talk to you guys about is AZEREDO Cosmetics. I have several of their eyelashes, but I picked my favorite 2. And one of them is in the style Icon. These are another ones that I use for a natural look because they are really fluttery. And the lash line is a little bit thinner than the other ones, but they're not as thin as the Kiss ones. So I do have to kind of work with it and make sure they don't show up on my lash line. But if I were eyeliner, they look really, really, really pretty. And these are in the style, these are the style Icon. I need to order new ones because this one is kind of bended, but I still use it. I recently ordered these ones. These are one of the newer collections, and it is new packaging. These ones are in the style Legendary. And these quickly became my favorite ones because I just love how it makes the eye look. I feel like it opens up the eye even more. But I like to wear these when I wear like kind of like bronzy eyeshadows, just because I do feel like it makes it look a little bit more prettier and a little bit more brighter. If that makes any sense. Oh, the eyelashes I'm wearing right now are the I have the box right here. They're also from Kids. They're the Lash Couture Mink collection in the style Gala. These are really, really pretty. I do have to work with them to put it on because the band is kind of thick and it is a little bit stiff, so I do have to work with it to get them on. And they are comfortable, but after a while, like, they do start to feel uncomfortable. So I like to wear these for short periods of time, but I do love how they make the eye look. They look really pretty. Okay, you guys, so this is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed learning more about my favorite eyelashes and the brands. If you guys haven't heard about the brands, I will link the eyelashes I talked about down on the description box if you guys want to check those out. And I also link down my discount codes for you guys. And thank you guys for watching. Until next time, and please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye, guys.